Welcome back, friends. This is Sam again. The next video which I am showing you on correcting the spelling mistakes using ChatGPT and React.js. So what I did here, I have given some options. Purposely I have provided this wrong spelling. If you see correctly, Japanese is wrong, English is a wrong, burning country name, whatever. Actually I purposely provided the wrong information and sent to ChatGPT so that not sure why it is it is giving some other context, but yeah, so this time it has given. So as I told you, every time this ChatGPT can give you different answers, so don't rely on it. This is just a demo thing. I have not set the temperature, I have not set the top probability, anything. This is the default behavior which ChatGPT is doing. I am showing you. I am just sending this Japanese word and then it has correctly replied with the correct spelling. Okay. Now I am sending the English and it has responded correctly. So this is what the correction of the spelling mistakes using ChatGPT and React.js.